Okay, I've been wanting to make some kimchi for quite a while, and I finally got the opportunity. I got hold of some romaine lettuce, so I'm going to make it with that. Let's take a look. So I'll chop my romaine lettuce roughly into 1-inch strips. I'll save the cores for stock pot later. I'll use about a 1/4 cup of fine sea salt, 1/4 cup of kosher salt, and water to cover, and I'll let that sit for about 3 hours or so. The trace minerals in the sea salt help keep the lettuce crisp. I've got maybe 3/4 cup of sticky rice that I ground into flour. Two cups of water. I'll heat that up and add my rice flour. Whisk that up. And then a 1/4 cup of sugar. I'm just going to bring that to a boil, and then I'll reduce the heat and simmer that for about 1 to 2 minutes. I'm using too small a pan here. I should have started with a bigger one, but working a little more water. Then I've got about a 1/2 cup of julienne carrot. And about a 1/4 to a 1/2 cup of diced onion. And I'll just mix those into the romaine lettuce too. I'm also going to put about half of the cooked rice mixture in with the romaine to make room in that pot for some of the seasonings that are coming up. As I was saying, with the sea salt, if you get an unrefined sea salt, the trace minerals, the calcium and magnesium, help keep the lettuce crisp on something like this. Actually, it'll help keep all your pickles crisper. So into the rice mix, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of gochujang Korean chili powder, a 1/4 cup of fish sauce, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and a large tablespoon of granulated garlic, and a large tablespoon of powdered ginger. Fresh would have been better, but I didn't have any. Just going to mix this all up. And then I'll just pour all this onto the romaine. And I don't want to leave any of that in the pan, so I'm going to try and scrape that out real well. And I just want to get all this mixed together really well so that all the romaine and the other veggies are covered with this seasoning mix. So I'm going to put on a glove and mix this up really well. And then once this is all mixed together, I put this in jars and let it sit on my counter overnight until the next afternoon. Covered up the jars and put them in my refrigerator, chilled those for like a day, and then they're good to eat anytime after that. And they'll be good for quite a while after. They just keep fermenting and keep getting better. So it just takes a little bit of work to get this all mixed together. There we go, that's looking really good. And then there they are, jarred up. Alright, enjoy. Alright, as you can see, that's real easy to put together. And if you don't have sticky rice, to make the sticky rice flour, and you'll notice I didn't even soak that overnight before I made the flour with it. Go ahead and leave that out and it'll work out just fine. I made this several weeks ago and I've still got a couple containers in my fridge fermenting. This stuff just gets better with age. So until next time, thanks for watching.